Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am at CAA Sports. Exit the CAA parking lot and turn left on 1st Street. Go straight, and then turn left on 1st Street. Exit the CAA Sports Center and turn right on Kennedy Road South. Double lanes are available for right turn. You can stay in either lane. Upon completing right turn, check your mirrors and accelerate. If you are in the left lane, safely move over to the right lane. Perform a set of lane changes on Kennedy Road South. So activate your left turn signal and check your mirrors for any close vehicle in the left lane. If left lane is clear, change your lane to the left safely. After few seconds, activate your right turn signal and check your mirrors for traffic in the right lane. If right lane is clear, change your lane to the right safely and continue driving in the right lane. Turn right on 1st Gulf Boulevard. First Gulf Boulevard is a multi-lane road with curves. Drive in the right lane and don't cross over lines. Check your mirrors frequently to watch the rear of your vehicle. Keep going straight through the intersection. Make sure to scan the intersection by turning your head to the right and left. Turn right on Steeles Avenue East by moving over to the rightmost lane. You will face a yield sign at this intersection, which controls right-turning vehicles. On approach to the yield sign, if your way is clear, continue driving without stopping and don't impede traffic behind your vehicle. Upon completing your right turn, stay in the rightmost lane on Steeles Avenue East, which leads to the highway for 110 southbound. Examiner will give you instruction to take the entrance ramp to highway for 110 southbound and merge on the highway. Safe speed is 50 km/h on the ramp curve. After passing the curve, quickly accelerate. The examiner will inform you that speed limit is 100 km/h on the highway. Safely merge into the traffic on your left side and avoid entering the express toll route. The examiner will ask you to perform a set of lane changes on highway for 110 southbound, when safe to do so. So activate your left turn signal and check your mirrors for any close vehicle in the left lane. If left lane is clear, then change your lane to the left safely. After few seconds, activate your right turn signal and check your mirrors for traffic in the right lane. If right lane is clear, change your lane to the right and continue driving in the right lane. Check your mirrors every 10 seconds. The examiner will instruct you to merge off the highway and take first exit to Derry Road. Turn right on Derry Road East. Double lanes are available for right turn. By law, you can stay in either lane, but it is advised to stay in the middle lane. It is in your best interest to wait at red lights before turning right on Derry Road. Complete your right turn at green lights and then move over to the rightmost lane when safe. Speed limit is 70 km/h on Derry Road East. Turn right on Kennedy Road. You will face a yield sign at this intersection, which controls right-turning vehicles. On approach to the yield sign, if your way is clear, continue driving without stopping and do not impede traffic behind your vehicle. But if there are pedestrians crossing the intersection or vehicles approaching from your left side on Kennedy Road, or there is oncoming traffic on Derry Road East, and any of the oncoming vehicles are turning left from Derry Road East onto Kennedy Road, you must come to a complete stop before the pedestrian crosswalk and wait until your way is clear. Then proceed with caution. Upon completing your right turn, quickly move over to the left lane on Kennedy Road. Turn left on Export Boulevard. Pull over and perform roadside stop on Export Boulevard. Secure your vehicle. Proceed forward when safe. Check your mirrors frequently and watch ahead, to the rear, and around your vehicle while driving along Export Boulevard. Stop at the stop sign and give right of way to other vehicles and pedestrians. Proceed forward on your turn. Turn left on Derry Road East. Turn left on Kennedy Road. Upon completing your left turn, check your mirrors and accelerate. Move over to the right lane when safe. Keep going straight through the intersection. On approach, scan the intersection by turning your head to the right and left. Continue driving through the intersection and watch for traffic. Check your mirrors every 10 seconds. Continue driving until next traffic lights. At first traffic lights, turn right and enter the CAA Sports Complex. Keep going around the bend. At the entrance, turn left and enter the truck's yard. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.